Hello there guys. In this tutorial we are about to witness a plot twist because not all programs are compiled. Okay, and that's exactly what I alluded to when I was discussing uh, the content of the later tutorial, that there are two kinds of programming languages, ones that are compiled and ones that are interpreted. Okay, so for example, C and C++ are actually compiled, and for example, Python, which I mentioned and then I said that it's not technically true, is interpreted. Okay, interpreted. I hope I fit this onto the screen. Okay, interpreted. So what is the difference between these two? The compiled programming languages undergo the process described in the previous post. Okay, so they go through the compiler produces some output, it goes through the linker links to libraries, and you have the final executable. Interpreted do not. Interpreted programs written in an interpreted programming languages are executed line by line. Okay, so instead of having to go through this compiler, you actually have a source file and you have some lines basically which instruct the program what to do, and the interpreter goes line by line by line and executes the program. So instead of taking the whole program and translating it into zeros and ones like a compiler does and then passing through the linker, etc., the interpreter goes line by line over the interpreted language's source code and executes it as it encounters each line of the source code. Okay, and also to note that interpreted languages are generally slower than compiled languages. Okay, so this is just a tidbit I wanted to throw in. If you're a software engineer, you knew this. If you're a regular user, just something I want to throw in, because I think it is going to help you kind of clarify some differences if you encounter certain programming languages and they do not appear to be compiled, and you're like, what's that? How come this isn't compiled? And you're like, oh, there's actually interpreted and compiled programming languages. Okay, so now you know the difference. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.